Now, before analyzing any statement, it is crucial to understand them and be familiar with the data that we will be analyzing. In this section of our course, I will introduce you to the four main financial statements: the balance sheet, the income statement, cash flow statement, and the statement of stakeholders' equity. I will assume that you are in the beginner level and explain each single part of the statements. We will start with balance sheet, and you will learn what is the balance sheet, what are the assets and liabilities and stakeholders' equity, and what is the balance sheet identity equation. Then we will move on to income statement. You will learn what it is and how it is constructed and what items does it include. After that, we will examine another main financial statement, which is cash flow statement and its sections. Cash flow is divided into 3 sections, and we will examine each section in turn. We'll then briefly cover statement of stakeholders' equity and what other types of information exist for investors to analyze the firm. And all these will be taught through a comprehensive example of a fictitious company called Global Auto Corporation. We'll work on the example to make it easier for you to understand, and at the end of this section there will be a kind of midterm exam consisting of multiple choice questions. Please take that exam to see how well you remembered concepts, and good luck. Hope you will enjoy it.